how to find Instagram live videos. So if you want to find Instagram live videos, then first open up your Instagram application, and then you can go for your profile, and now you can simply go for the bottom corner or bottom middle, which has that plus icon. Tap on that plus, and then you can go for a live. And now what you have to do is you have to simply start a live. So tap on that and then start a live. So make sure to stay for at least 1 minute, because if you have less than 1 minute, then you won't have that option, right? So stay for just 1 minute, and after staying or after making that 1 minute, you can simply go for end video. You can end that live video. Tap on end video, and after ending, now you will have a share option. Simply tap on share, and then and now you can simply open up the chat to whom you have sent that live video, and then here you will have that live video, right? So after some time or after 1 or 2 minutes, here you will have an option of watch more instead of this watch live video, which you can see here. And after that, you can simply tap on that watch more, and here you will have all of your live videos. So you can simply scroll down, and then you can go for see all, which is on the upper right side, and then you can see all of these live videos on Instagram. So that's it. That's how you see all of the live videos. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.